So I am here in Promontory, Utah, here at the Rocket Garden. I just moved to Utah a couple months ago. A lot of you have suggested that I come here. So Northrop Grumman has been awarded over $3 billion from NASA to work on boosters for the Artemis program, that mission that is going to take us to the moon. So that is pretty cool, and even more reason to come see this place in person. So let's check it out. NASA has awarded the booster production and operations contract to Northrop Grumman of Brigham City, Utah. They'll be in charge of building boosters for NASA's Space Launch System, or SLS, rocket to support 9 SLS flights. Northrop Grumman is the lead booster contractor and has produced booster motors for the first 3 Artemis missions and is casting the motors for the 4th lunar mission. This contract is worth over $3 billion, and it authorizes Northrop Grumman to order long lead items and build twin boosters for the next 6 SLS flights, and this period of performance will extend through 2031. The twin solid rocket boosters, which are mounted on the side of the SLS core stage, will produce more than 75% of the thrust for each SLS launch. These boosters were based on the design of the Space Shuttle solid rocket boosters, but include a 5th segment to produce the extra power needed to send the larger SLS rocket to space. As part of this contract, the team will also design and test evolved boosters needed for flights starting with the 9th SLS mission. And these new boosters will replace the steel cases currently used from the Space Shuttle with a stronger composite case and upgraded structures, electronic thrust vector control systems, and propellant material. Of course, the SLS rocket and Orion spacecraft are part of NASA's backbone for deep space exploration. Through these Artemis missions, NASA will land the first woman and first person of color on the surface of the moon, and we hope to establish a long-term lunar presence that serves as a stepping stone to get to Mars. So this is the Space Shuttle reusable solid rocket motor, and I just wanted to get some specs in for you. It's 149 feet, the diameter 12 feet 2 inches, full weight over 1.2 million pounds, and thrust 2.6 million pounds. Baby!
Chicks like big boosters with lots of thrust.
So here's another view of the Space Shuttle solid reusable rocket motor. This thing is huge, and I want you to direct your attention to that sign. It says, "Please do not climb into the nozzle." Apparently, they have to tell people that. They also tell people, please do not climb on display motors, but...
And in the background, that is a Minuteman missile, also known as a nuclear weapon. The missile itself isn't a nuclear weapon, but the thing at the top would hold a nuclear weapon.
Yeah.
So over here, standing up the tallest thing in the rocket garden, is a Minuteman missile. This is a rocket that was used, or was designed to be used, to deliver nuclear weapons to a target. So at the top is where the payload would be, and that's where they would put a nuclear weapon that would be launched on a ballistic trajectory to fly over to Russia or China or whatever the target was, and basically destroy humanity. So fortunately, they were never actually used in war.
Well, thanks so much for clicking on this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to please hit like and subscribe. I'm working on a lot of content, and it's been really exciting to see Ellie in space grow, so I appreciate all of your support.